Hi guys! Some of you know that we went on a holiday to Croatia, and also some of you asked me if I could make something, a recipe that I tried there, if I could make that and share that with you. Well, it's not a recipe that I actually ate in Croatia, because basically we just ate seafood from grill all the time. I love seafood, and because you can get some fresh seafood in Croatia everywhere, that's what I wanted to eat all the time. So today's dish is not specifically a Croatian dish, but it's Croatian inspired dish. So today I'm gonna make oven baked Gilt-Head Bream, and I will show you how to do that. I've cut 2 bell peppers, red bell peppers, into fairly small pieces. Then I have 4 tomatoes that I've just halved, 1.5 of a lemon, some dill, salt, and then the seasoning. So just very simple: olive oil, again salt, and some black pepper that I need to fill up. First we are going to make some cuts in the fish. So I'm cutting through the skin a little bit. And you want to do this on both sides. Then you want to take the little slices of lemons and place that into those cuts. Now we are going to season the inside of the fish with some salt, take some dill and lemon and stuff the inside with dill and lemon. Now I've taken a couple of dill stalks and just gonna squish them like this so they fit into the fish, and just add them inside. Then grab a couple of pieces of lemon and also stuff them inside. And the same with the second one. Now we have the fish ready, so we just need to put everything together and bake it. So I have an oven-proof dish here, and I'm gonna add all of the pepper. Then I have some leftover dill. I'm not gonna use all of it, but I'm going to add some of it here as well. So a couple of these. Then I have some leftover lemon, so why not use that as well? Now I want to pour over some olive oil, season with a little bit of salt and some black pepper. And then we are going to place the fish over the peppers. And now I'm just going to add the tomatoes. So I'm just placing them around the fish where I have some space. Now we are just going to add some seasoning on top and also a little bit more olive oil. Salt generously so that you get some good taste on the fish. A good flavor on the fish. So that's enough salt. Then a little bit of pepper again. And lastly, some olive oil. Doesn't it look beautiful already? And it smells really good as well. So now the fish will hit the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes, 200 Celsius and the middle shelf of the oven. Then you can serve the fish as it is with the veggies, or you can make some rice or couscous to go with it. I hope you liked this recipe, and if you did, please don't forget that thumbs up and subscribe for some more delicious recipes. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye until next time.